Hey, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I'm here with my DRP Enterprises Deck Restoration Plus crew. As you can see, we've taken an old teak deck, we've kind of made it a little more contemporary. It was, hey, let's get rid of this. Hold on, this is beautiful wood. Don't do that. This is going to last 50 years plus. It's going to outlive all of us. Let's not get rid of that. Let's not put the composite. You have beautiful wood. We do? Yes. Okay, new customers. So what do? We have restored, we have put on some new teak, restored the old, we put on brand new lattice. It doesn't match right now because it's cedar. They don't make teak lattice like that, but they want the quality lattice. They wanted it natural. It looks natural. It is just the clear tones or natural. We use Mesmer's. The Mesmer's natural on this, and we've really got a nice look here. Then to make it even more contemporary, bring it up, we took off the wood railings and put on black metal. And it really has a nice look, as you can see over my shoulder and as I move to the side. Guys are finishing up today. This is what we do at DRP. This is what we do with Deck Restoration Plus. This is what the Wizard of Wood and his crew does. We do it the best. So, if you need an estimate, if you need us to do some work for you, we can restore log cabins, decks, anything, any outdoor wood, we can do that. And we also build decks as well. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Thanks for watching. I'll wait for your call.